Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of CNN-based heavier leaf disease detection. So in this project, we have collected the data set of heavier leaf diseases, and training is done through the CNN model, and prediction is done through the GI part, where we can upload the images. Based on that, it will predict the image is diseased one or not. So now we go for the code. We type ideally, click on open, file, open. So this is the code for to detect the heavier leaf. You can see the data set. So this is the type of heavier leaf diseases. Here we can see the data set. This is cornisporoid diseases. Healthy one we can see. So this is the healthier one image. So this is the ODM heavier leaf disease. This is the so this is primarily used for to detect heavier leaf. This is for creating the GI part. So creating the this is for to labeling. And this part is used for to train the model. So this is the model we are used. Here CNN model we use for to train the data set. And this part is used for to display the graph once the training is completed. And this for to create the GUI where original image it will display after the segmented, and after that bitwise image it will display. And based on this, it will predict whether the image really is diseased one or not. Click on run model. So this is the GUI of predicting heavier leaf disease. Click on training button. Mm. Click on run model. Click on training button. So you can see the training process. Still 10 iteration, the process will be continued. So each iteration, it will display the accuracy loss and also validation loss and also validation accuracy. Till completion of eighth iteration, the process will be continuing. Now the process is so now iteration is going on ninth till 10 iteration. The process is continued, and after that you will get the graph along x-axis iteration along y-axis accuracy. And also parallelly, it will display the loss along y-axis loss, along x-axis error. Now we go for the testing code. On testing button, select any one of the image. And you can see the original image, second image, the first image. And also you get the message like predicted image is Cornisfera and also parallel precautions. And we can check for the another input. Select any one of the image. So you can see the original image, segmented image, and last bitwise method. Here you can see the predicted images, fight of terror, and also precautions. You can check for another input. If you can see original image, segmented image, then bitwise method. Parallelly, you can get the predicted images healthy leaf.